It's 10 till the top of the hour. It's time for your winter weather update.
So joining us from the expert desk this morning is our winter weather expert, Tom Niziol. Finding that a lot of the snow is relatively light this morning doesn't mean it can't cause problems, though.
No, I mean, still there's going to be some issues where the temperatures are a little bit below freezing on untreated surfaces. But really, for the middle of February, this isn't as bad as we've seen in other years. Take a quick look at our Weather Watch graphic here. You know, we put a key up here, and on that key, we oftentimes will have something called heavy snow here. And today, once again, we don't see that because our systems are relatively weak. One area that's moving up through the Great Lakes region now is going to cut out in toward New England as we go through the day, and that is going to weaken. And our second system is sitting back here across the Intermountain West, and that's going to spread snow and a wintry mix across the area as we get into tomorrow. I always like to take a quick look at our water vapor imagery. The eye in the sky here from our satellite gives us a good idea of what the large-scale weather pattern is. And this is our first low sitting here that is weakening as it's moving on to the northeast. And right there is our other spin in the atmosphere back here cutting across the Intermountain West right now. We're going to take a quick look at our radar here across the east because this is interesting. Once again this winter, middle of February, and we don't have much in the way of cold air sitting around the region. If we had a cold air like we'd have in a typical winter, we'd have a lot more problems across this part of the country. But look at those temperatures now rising up through the upper 30s in Roanoke and in through Washington. So mild weather conditions, that's going to limit any type of wintry issues that we're going to have for the region for the rest of the day. We'll move forward here in time. Our RPM model will move forward, and you can see that the system continues to weaken as it goes into New England during the day on Wednesday and in through Wednesday night. Our final snowfall totals across the area, really not much to write home about at this time of the year, generally 1 to 2 inches across the region. So not too bad for the middle of February in the Northeast.
Tom, thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. Now it's time to head over to weather.com to find out what Mike said.